Apple cider vinegar is apple juice that has gone through 2 fermentation processes. Crushed apples are combined with yeast, sugar, or another carbohydrate in the first step. Natural bacteria and yeasts ferment the juice after a few weeks, converting the carbs to alcohol. The alcohol is then converted to acetic acid in a second fermentation phase, yielding apple cider vinegar. In stores, you can buy pasteurized or unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Raw apple cider vinegar is most commonly used for health reasons since it contains more natural bacteria and yeasts. The hazy sediment in the bottle is made up of these compounds, which are referred to as the mother. Following is how to prepare and drink a spoon of apple cider vinegar.
Do this and you can boost your immunity, increase your energy. You can also reduce high blood pressure and decrease sugar and salt cravings. What am I talking about? Drinking 1 cup a day of apple cider vinegar. Now what you want is the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. It's a cheap, effective probiotic that contains healthy protein and important enzymes that can help you. The mother is healthy bacteria for your stomach. It's antimicrobial, this apple cider vinegar, and it can kill off bad bacteria. The problem with drinking apple cider vinegar is the taste. I don't know about you, but most people don't like the taste. But this is the solution to getting past that. All you need is apple cider vinegar. Shake it up good because the mother tends to settle on the bottom. Lemon juice, and I like to get the organic lemon juice. And just pour 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a 4-ounce cup. Then pour 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in the cup. Now add water to this cup, but you don't want to add cold water. Add some warm water to the cup. And it's best not to use hot water as well. Stir well and then drink. And you're going to notice how good this is going to taste. I mean, it doesn't taste really, it's not sweet or anything, but it is good. And the other thing that you can do, if it's not good, if it doesn't taste good enough for you, you can add some honey to it. But I take it just like this. I mean, it depends on how sweet you like your drink. So give it a try.